Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today termed the nationwide rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine as a historic and proud moment for every citizen of the country and said that the launch of the vaccine in the country was a positive step in the year-long fight against the virus. Addressing the media during his visit to Negrim's Hospital, Shillong, which is one of the 10 sites across the state that will conduct the vaccination drive, the Chief Minister said, "We have been fighting COVID-19 for almost a year now, and this has really taken a big toll, I should say, on the nation, on the economy and lives of every citizen of this nation. And today, this vaccine roll is a very positive step towards our fight against COVID-19. We have been fighting COVID-19 in many ways, but this vaccination program and the rolling out of this is a historic day. A day to be proud and a day for citizens of the nation and the world as a whole to feel confident that we will be able to overcome this very soon." Stating that the inoculation process would take time to complete, the Chief Minister also cautioned people not to let their guard down against the virus and follow all necessary COVID protocols to contain the spread of the disease. "We should always remember that the fight against COVID-19 will continue. It's not that this vaccine will immediately take it away and tomorrow everything will be normal. The vaccination program will take time to complete. Everybody cannot get vaccinated at the same time. Maybe this program will continue for 6 months, 8 months, maybe a year, and even more. Therefore, I request and urge all the citizens of Meghalaya that we should not take it lightly. We should continue to follow all the norms and the precautions and the guidance that has been given by the Health Department," he said. Around 832 healthcare workers are being immunized at designated hospitals across the state on the day of the vaccine rollout today.
Chance of his getting a reaction. Let us be very clear. The chance of somebody getting a COVID without taking a vaccination is going to be more than is getting a reaction out of a vaccination. So we must be very clear on these things. And our medical superintendent, myself, our other deputy medical superintendents, nursing superintendents, we have come forward to take the vaccine at the outset because if the social media induced misconception persists, then the whole process is going to be unfairly damaged. And we are doctors, we are nurses, we are aware of what is happening, we have access to resources which tell us whether it is safe or not. When we come forward to take it, you must understand that it is safe.
I congratulate Government of India for their successful deployment of vaccination throughout the nation. I also think that my country people today, they are in the safe hand. I have taken the vaccine. I just want to share my experience. No pain, no restriction, nothing. Till now, I am quite absolutely perfect. Undue afraid, undue fear should not happen to anyone. And I want that all my country people will be protected from COVID-19, and this immunization will be one of the greatest successful events in the coming era.